Hello everyone, this is Fiani. Welcome back to Creative by Fab. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. If you love crafting DIYs, you are in the right place. I love to do quick and easy DIYs, everything on the budget, using recycled items, thrifting items, and of course Dollar Tree items. And today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 DIYs, quick and easy. Also today I'm really excited because I'm participating on the Trash to Treasure challenge hosted by Cassie from Coffee with My Sunshine. She is so sweet producer and she is the queen of the Trash to Treasure. That's for sure. And also it's co-hosted by Julia from the Mug Life DIY. I will leave both links on my description box below. I would love to you go and check their channels and show some love and let them know you're coming from Creative by Fabi. So today I'm really excited about the DIYs and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the first DIY, I'm going to be making a galvanized centerpiece. So here are the materials: a recycled coffee container, a gray paint in light and dark, some ribbon I purchased from Walmart, and some Dollar Tree flowers. So for this project we also going to need a sponge brush, and that will be our main tool. So I'm going to start off by giving small touches of the dark gray, just like so, to the entire container. So next I'm going to be doing the same thing with the lighter gray. So next I'm going to give it like light touches to the both paints, if that makes sense, and just to kind of spread it out but not mix it out so much. Okay, the video explains better. And you will end with something like that. Beautiful. Next I'm going to be using this beautiful ribbon, and I also going to be using on top of the container, just like so, using a little bit of hot glue, and voila. Beautiful. Now with the same ribbon I'm going to be creating a little simple bow. Next I went ahead, did a fishtail and attach it on the thing, just like so. Beautiful. Now we're going to leave it just like that, and we're going to be working with the little flower. But at first I'm going to be using some leftover styrofoam and then just trying to fill it up the most I can, my container, just like so. Next I'm going to be cutting the stems of the flowers. Also going to be removing some of the greenery on one of the flowers because they're kind of too bright and kind of too fake looking. And so next I'm going to be just creating my little arrangement, just like so. Next, I went ahead and just added some Spanish moss to cover the styrofoam. And we basically done for the first DIY. I think this centerpiece came out absolutely beautiful. Nobody will know that that was a coffee container. Or what do you guys think? So let me know in the comments below. So now we're going to be working with the second DIY. And now, because we already used the coffee container, of course now we're going to use the cookie container. So here I'm going to, and also a leftover plunger that I used on a previous DIY. So here I'm showing you what is the idea. So all I'm going to be doing is create like a base, just like so. So I give it one coat of the mineral paint and also distress it with the antique wax. And I don't know what happened with that part of my video, but yeah, that's what I did. So next I went ahead, added some plastic bags and just to fill it up, yeah, and then added some hot glue and attached the plunger thing inside, just like so. So now I'm going to leave that on the side, and I'm going to be using the thing with some ribbon. So all I'm going to be doing is just attaching some ribbon around, just like so, adding some hot glue, and voila. Next, I'm going to be attaching both pieces together using some hot glue, just like so. Now I'm going to be using a leftover styrofoam, cutting the edges just to create like a circle and then place it inside. Just like so, and now we are ready to create a beautiful arrangement. So I'm going to be using some leftover flower as well. I also forgot to mention that those flowers are from Dollar Tree. And that is it for the second DIY. I think this arrangement came out so beautiful that honestly nobody would know that was a plunger on the bottle. What do you guys think? So now we're going to be working with the third DIY. So for this DIY, I'm going to be using one recycled wine bottle, some chalk paint and some antique wax, also some stencil from Dollar Tree and some brooches. So I'm going to start off by using some masking tape and create like a little square on the center of the bottle, just like so. And then I'm going to be painting with the mineral chalk paint. Next, I went ahead and removed the masking tape and came out with something like that. And then I realized that I messed up a little bit on the bottle, so then I just spread out the paint down and continue the bottle with the paint, just like so. Nothing that we cannot fix. I'm going to be using the stencil and the antique wax, and I'm going to be just stencil those little arrows that are kind of cute without the word love. So I'm going to be using the little stencil brush from Dollar Tree as well. So I love to use the stencil for all my DIYs, but my favorite part is when you remove the stencil. What do you guys think? It's so satisfying when you remove the stencil. Of course, sometimes it's not that satisfying because you get messed up. But at this time came out really cute. So next I'm going to use in the Sharpie marker and just handwriting the word farm. Just like so. So next I also going to be distressing a little bit with the leftover paint on the brush, just the edges, just like so, just to give it that really nice rustic look. Next I'm going to be using some twine, so I'm going to be just wrapping around a little bit on the top, just like so. I also going to be creating a little tassel with the twine, and also I'm going to be using one little wooden bead just to give it that really nice look. So that's the way I do my tassel. If somebody know a different way, let me know. That's the way that I know it really works for me. So nothing special, just wrapping around my fingers, tie it together and tie it again and cut the edges or cut the bottom, and voila, there you have it, a beautiful tassel. So then I'm going to add another piece of twine and just attach it on it, and also using a wooden bead just to give that really nice look. I love wooden beads. I think they just give a really nice look to any project you make. Oh, I don't know, what do you guys think? I keep asking because I really want to know what do you guys think. So yeah, and then I just attach it on the bottle, and that is how it came out. I really love the way this bottle came out, but I really want to know which one was your favorite one. But no, we haven't finished yet. We have one more DIY, so keep watching. So for the last DIY is the simplest DIY, but I think is really beautiful. All I'm going to be using is those empty yogurt bottles, plastic bottles, and then I'm going to be using empty wax to stress it a little bit, just like so. And then I'm going to be using some twine and just wrapping around on the top. And then I'm just going to be adding some flowers. And basically that is it for the last DIY. I think this project is one of my favorite projects because it came out beautiful, but also is so easy to make. So that is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know which one was your favorite one, number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also don't forget to go check out the talented ladies channels, Coffee with My Sunshine, and also the Mug Life DIY. So and let us know you're coming from Creation by Fabi. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.